I'm Becca. I'm an esthetician here at Neroli downtown, and today I want to show you two of my favorite gifts for this holiday season. First, we have our Neroli spa robe here. It's so soft, it's so wonderful, and it's a great way to bring a little bit of the spa into your home or someone in your life who loves the spa. And my second favorite gift that we have this year is this rose quartz Gua Sha and stone roller set. It's super amazing if you like to do masks at home. You can roll the mask in with the roller, kind of help press that mask further into your skin and making it more effective. And the Gua Sha stone is super great for lymphatic drainage, helping define all the great points of your face and helping to remove any toxins from your skin as well. These are both super great ways to bring wellness and the spa into your home. Merry Christmas!